Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Need for Speed error code 13117706333. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to create or join a crew in the game. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error, but it looks like some kind of server-side issue. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game process completely and then relaunch it. After that, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, power cycle your device along with the internet. Simply shut down your device and unplug the router. Then wait for around 5 minutes. Then restart both devices and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then check if there is any pending update for the game. If yes, update the game and check for the error. If the error still continues, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Once connected to a new network, launch the game and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it is probably a server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.